It is October, Mother Nature. Why do you have to be like this and snow on me? Hell, Mother Nature, you're a bitch. That's all I got to say. Mother Nature, you're a bitch. I haven't done a video in a while, and this weather fucking sucks. It's cold as a witch's titty out here. Honestly, it is. And I don't know if it shows up. It's snowing pretty bad. Luckily, it's staying off the road so far, but it's accumulating around the roads. So yeah, Mother Nature, you a bitch. Bad girl. Bad Mother Nature. Take care.